Kaiser Permanente has announced it's pausing gender-affirming care surgeries for people under the age of 19. Kaiser is the latest healthcare provider to make the change in recent months amid pressure from the federal government. ABC 7 News reporter Tim Johns talked to both supporters and opponents of the move and has more.
Kaiser says it will begin a pause on gender-affirming surgeries on August 29. The healthcare giant says the difficult decision was influenced by recent events. In a statement, Kaiser says, in part, since January, there has been significant focus by the federal government on gender-affirming care, specifically for patients under the age of 19. This has included executive orders instructing federal agencies to take actions to curtail access and restrict funding for gender-affirming care. News of the pause angered some of the company's staff, including nurse Sydney Simpson.
Kids who have potentially been on these surgery lists for years being dropped, kids who are waiting for these surgeries to finally, for the first time in their lives, feel like they are living.
Simpson and others say they worry about Kaiser following a trend of denying more and more medical treatments for transgender people. Aria Villahin is a trans activist in the Bay Area. She believes Kaiser's new policy will hurt trans kids and their families.
The only people who should be involved in making these decisions are the patients and their doctors.
Others agree with Kaiser's pause. Jamie Reed is the co-executive director of the group LGBT Courage Coalition.
Kids cannot consent to something that is as permanent as having healthy body tissues removed.
Reed says Kaiser joins a growing number of organizations around the country in scaling back gender-affirming surgeries, especially for minors. She hopes the company will expand their pause beyond just surgeries in the future.
We want them to look at this across the entire lifespan of these kids and recognize that this whole protocol is the issue in its entirety and it all needs to stop.
Simpson tells me nurses here in the city plan on holding a vigil tomorrow in protest of Kaiser's decision. In San Francisco, Tim Johns, ABC 7 News.